motor vehicle register. This is a cracked. Why this is cracked? Because this motor was taken more amperes. So if your vehicles under the 1 day or 2 days getting failed this register, then don't wait more time to waste more money. Must you change blower motor, because sometimes if you see the blower motor, it will not show you much of play. Like this is a play, and the new motor also, if you bring the new motor, they have also little bit bushing play. So the new motor and old motor, the play is also same, and there is no any restriction. You can turn them, same the new motor also will turn you. So you can't see the bushing, front and rear motor bushing. There is no much of play. This play, like little bit play, the new motor also is little bit play. This is a new motor. So new motor also have little bit play. And when you check motor ohms, it will show you 0.5. So 0.5 register ohms for the motor ohms. It will show you new one also 0.5 resistance, and old one also will show you 0.5 resistance. So you don't compare. That is a good motor. The symptom continuously breaking blower motor. Suddenly you have to change the blower motor. Otherwise you will break more blower register, because blower register, he can't handle more amperes if your motor takes. When you remove the motor, and you will see the resistance, how much is there for ohms, it will show you 0.5. The new one also will show you 0.5, and motor play will also show you like similar play. But don't believe these things, because when he run the motor, and it's getting different things. When you run the motor, they are taking more amperes, and sometimes you are not able to on the running time to check how much they are taking the amperes, and they will blow up, they will make hot, and you can see that crack is here. I will show you on the light. Sometimes it is the very minor crack. Look at this. Now you can see the crack. Crack is there. So like sometime blower not shifting a speed 1 and 2, and they are run direct high speed. That meaning is your resistor is burn, or resistor is a crack internally. So anytime the blower, air conditioned blower, if just shifting from only high speed, not shifting 1 and 2, that means your resistor is burned, or resistor is cracked, and resistor is internal problem. And that condition, if you change other resistor, and other resistor also suddenly cracked or burned, then don't change third one. You must change the motor. And if you checking resistance, how much is for the blower winding resistance, it will show you 0.5. Like this. You have to hook up from the back side, and you will see here. This must be 0.5, because my one hand is here, so It's not connecting properly. .5 must be there. You see that 0.5, that winding resistance is 0.5. So the new one also, it will show you 0.5 resistance. So you will believe this is the good motor. But when you fix inside again the old one, it will crack resistance, and sometimes it getting burned inside that this card getting internally burned here. So if not shifting 1 and 2 speed, that means your resistor is burned, and if twice getting burned or crack like this, then you have to suddenly change this motor. Don't waste more money. Only not shifting 1 and 2 speed blower motor vehicles. That reason is resistor. And if twice getting burned your resistor, then don't change third one. First you change motor, then you change resistor again. Or otherwise keep run only high speed, because motor winding, don't believe them, because a new one and old one, it will show you 0.5 ohms. And new one also show you 0.5 ohms. And the play between this play of the fan, it's little bit is a play for good rotation and that. So new one also have little bit play here, and old one also have little bit play here like this. This play is for winding rotation, for the play air gap like this. Air gap play is there. So no problem for that air gap play.